Guten Tag, mein Name ist Andreas Dahms.
Hello, my name is Andreas Dahms. I'm a refrigeration and air conditioning engineer. Today I would like to show you how you can find and analyze leakages in refrigeration systems safely, unproblematically, and above all, reliably.
Nun schalte ich das Gerät ein.
I now switch the instrument on.
Es beginnt die Aufheizphase.
The heat-up phase begins, which you can see by the flashing diodes here.
Während dieser Aufheizphase
During the heat-up phase, the sensor in the instrument is zeroed, which means it adapts to the environment.
das Gerät ist jetzt
The instrument is now operational.
Sollte das Gerät längere Zeit
If the instrument has not been used for a longer period, it is recommended that you test the functionality of the sensor.
Hierzu verwendet
To do
man
this,
ein Test-
we use a test leak, which we bring up close to the sensor.
das Ausschlagen des Sensors.
The reaction of the sensor and the audible signals show that the instrument is working.
Ich untersuche hier
Here I'm checking a potential leak site, a flare fitting.
Hier ist alles in
Everything's okay here.
Ebenso sind die
Pipes which don't have refrigerant flowing through them permanently are also a potential source of leaks.
Hierzu führe ich den
Here again, I move the sensors slowly and uniformly past the flare fittings.
an den Büttelverbindungen vorbei. Auch hier
Here too, everything's tight.
ich überprüfe hier die
Here I'm
Lösung.
checking the connection fittings on the compressor.
Hier sind aufgrund
Because of vibration, leakages are often found here.
festzustellen. An diesen
In
Bauteilen
this case, everything is fine.
mögliche Fehlinterpretationen
Freshly glued insulation hoses on refrigeration pipes can be sources of false interpretation.
an den Kälterohrleitungen sein. Wie hier
As you can see clearly here,
Verunreinigung des
possible
Sensors
contamination of the sensors, such as here by this water drop, can seriously influence the sensitivity of the sensor.
Ich suche dieses Ventil weiter.
I continue to examine this valve for leaks and discover that we have a refrigerant leak somewhere here,
Austritt
but which I can't yet locate exactly.
lokalisieren kann. Dazu schalte ich das Gerät
To do this, I switch the instrument into low mode, and I can establish that right here at this place on the flare fitting,
der Büttelverbindung eine Undichte vorhanden.
there is a leak.
Die von mir soeben
The leakage test I've just carried out with the Testo 316-3 has shown that it's possible to conduct a system test very efficiently, quickly, and securely.
Überprüfung durchzuführen.
That is good for your customer, for your operational security, and your system availability, and you protect the environment while you're at it.